Ready?
Wow, that's slow.
Is that flat out?
Wow, that was almost flat out. Hey, buddy, it's time to get some gas. Let me just waste time. I literally filmed it. Oh shit, rally car. Oh my god! Hello! I can hear him now! Hey, this is Zach and Wyatt.
And today we have the raddest car.
It's an 88 freaking Pontiac FIERO. I'm so excited. Look at this freaking paint job.
Original owner.
Original owner. Look at the license plate. It's original plate.
It was owned by a man and woman, Bert and Virginia.
Yeah.
Bert passed away recently. Virginia is the sweetest woman in the world. I love her to death.
Yeah.
I might buy her toolbox. She used to work and build airplanes and stuff. She's got this beautiful toolbox.
Yeah.
It's got a bunch of air tools in it.
Whoa.
And she said I might be able to buy it. And I love her so much. She's my new grandma.
Zach, look at this paint job.
I know.
Dude, the first thing I thought of when I first saw this car in the paint job was like, somewhere in the world, there's got to be a matching freaking boat or jet ski to go with this thing.
The yellow paint on this car is original.
What?
It's original paint.
No way.
Yeah.
It's a factory yellow car?
I didn't tell him yet. He's not.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a factory yellow car. They added this.
All they did was that.
Yeah, and
that's amazing.
My favorite part is like this white on the bottom. When you get back.
Oh.
I love the white on the. It just makes the whole car.
I never even saw that.
So this is a FIERO. It's got original California plates. One owner. Like seriously. That's crazy.
This thing is just. It is the most pristine condition FIERO I've ever seen.
I think the tires from 2005.
The AC cranks, by the way.
The AC does crank.
It's insane.
Yeah, definitely insane.
Let's start with
dual wipers.
Yeah, let's start with this. We have dual wipers, so you have 4 wipers altogether. It's insane.
So cool.
It's got an antenna because
why?
the radio works absolutely amazing. It's a stock head unit and everything.
Wyatt.
Yeah.
We gotta get this out of the way now. It's auto.
It's auto.
It's auto.
Yeah.
But it's not a fast car. It's not a driver's car.
Yeah.
It might look like that a little bit. The GT was a little bit more. This isn't really that. I haven't let Wyatt drive it yet. I literally rolled it here.
This is the longest drive ever to get to a location.
I did not want him to feel how much power it has or doesn't have.
Because rumor is, you said it's slower than your Festiva? There's no way it's slower than the Festiva.
You'll see.
If you guys don't know, his Festiva has an almost dead cylinder.
Yeah.
So it's like doggish going up hills like on the freeway and stuff.
Yeah.
This can't be slower than that.
His Festiva goes, I gotta say.
My Festiva does go.
It doesn't feel
in
dead.
1, 2, 3 in 1, 2, and 3 gears.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Let's open it up.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to do a FIERO. I've always wanted to drive one.
Do the lights come up proper?
No.
Let's get the lights.
They don't come up proper. Can you do it without the key on?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's see. How do we do this? Oh. Oh no.
Wyatt, for you and me, the e-brake is normal. Can you show everyone else the e-brake?
The e-brake?
Yeah.
Is it a foot?
What?
Where's the e-brake?
I just said for you and me.
It's a Porsche. It's like a Porsche.
And a C4 Corvette.
Yeah. That's sick.
Ferraris and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, does this one does it tuck away? Oh, it tucks away.
Why did the hood pop and it got lower? Is it from the back? Why does it have a back opening hood?
Yeah, it's like an RX-7.
This is not metal.
Whoa. Wow. Is that the factory donut?
So
it's
much
gotta be.
storage.
That's sick. You could fit a couple groceries in here.
I wouldn't. I would put them in the back. There's a lot of room in the back.
Dude, the back is the back is so big.
Headlights work. Look, the covers are on the outside.
Oh.
So they're just covers.
So those probably just pop up and push the covers out of the way or something.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So they're flip ups. They're not pop ups.
And then you close it. You probably just pull this little tab, release the tension, and it closes. Oh, you gotta do it again.
It's got 2 levels. It's like a
Let's get in the back.
I can't believe how.
The Honda hoods that do that.
Huh?
They go like this and then they go like that.
Yeah, that's Honda hood. I can't believe how solid this car is.
Oh, Chevy, so the key's always upside down on everything.
Let's go. I just noticed it's got spider cracking in the spoiler. That's okay though.
It's not an original spoiler.
No, that's right. It's optional spoiler.
No, it's not original at all.
No.
So this doesn't stay up.
So what we have here is the almighty 2.5 Iron Duke 4-cylinder from a mail truck. It's actually got a good amount of room to work on it, I must say.
I could put the camera in here.
Yeah. There's you can see the shift linkage right there. That's cool. think that's what that is.
Look how deep this trunk
The
is.
trunk is so big.
Still going.
It's all fuzzy.
Still going. Still going. Still going. Bottom.
It's like a well instead of a trunk.
Now, Wyatt,
Yeah?
you know what you need to do now, right?
What?
You need to show everyone the kick-ass interior.
Oh god, the interior is so good. Okay, you get in this car and you sit on the floor like a 914. This interior is also ginormous. You can just almost lay down in this thing. It's got so much foot room. What? Oh, thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. The rev limit is about 4,500, which is kind of disappointing. I mean, it's a mail truck engine, so, you know, whatever. I noticed this on the way here. Look at these freaking vents. You get a little tiny square one if you want.
Oh, they're individually adjustable.
Yeah, look, you can get the big one. You can have this one at the door, whatever you want. It's so cool. The mirrors I noticed were also like Zach's old C4 Corvette, which is pretty cool. This is like, I think that's also Corvette. The handles.
That's metal.
This interior is so like long and open and just boxy and open. You got this giant like kitchen cutting board of a center console. Yeah, it's automatic, and also you can like reach your arm out all the way to get it out of park. It's so far. My arm is stretched out all the way. Everything's far. You gotta reach even further to get to the freaking radio controls. It's insane.
Horn.
What horn? Oh, horn.
They're like piano buttons. They have hinges.
Yeah. Oh no, they're like reverse flappy paddles, like for shifters.
Oh my God, they are.
This is like angled for some reason. Oh, you get freaking 2 ashtrays. That's sick. What's supposed to go here? Is this like power windows if that was an option? The fuel door releases right here.
What?
Yeah, look at that.
It's not. Where?
This interior is so mid.
That's so weird.
You see it?
Why is it
There it is.
behind you?
I
I
don't know.
would be searching for that for like years.
Maybe you can like listen for it when it's time to get some gas or some. Hey buddy, it's time to get some gas. Let me just whisper in your ear. Let me just whisper in your ear. It's time for some gas. Time to fill up.
Are we gonna drive this one?
I'm ready to drive it
I
now.
think I'm ready to drive it too.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I love how the console's not.
This is like
attached
S2.
at
This is
all.
like S2000. The console right here. Oh, that's also like a 914. What kind of gauges we got? Got 85 miles an hour. What's that one? Got temp. And that one. Got fuel. It's got fuel. And a couple other lights. Ooh, separate freaking gauge for the odometer. I love this. I love the freaking little gauges. You like the little, or the vents? You like the little individual vent, Zach?
Oh yeah.
I love that. Ugh.
Oh, door handles. They're metal.
Door handles? Oh, yeah, I felt that. All right.
Ooh, I didn't even notice this. It's got like an owner's manual cut in half.
It's like a glove envelope.
Yeah.
Not a glove box. That's your glove box right there.
Yep.
Let's go back in 0.5. All
Alrighty.
right, let's start this. Look, another convenient place to put the freaking mic.
No, Wyatt.
Oh yeah.
Wait, is there anything?
You can put it here too.
This.
It sounds like a mail truck.
It does.
Turn that down a bit. Oh, I love this AC. This car is why is this Fiero so new feeling?
Wait. The keys.
Mm-hmm.
The
keys?
They tick. It sounds like an indicator's on.
Oh, because they're hitting the column?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to get like right over here. I'm going to kind of gun it a bit and see how it feels.
All right.
Give it this bump. The steering wheel's nice and squishy.
Yeah.
Okay, right over here. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Wow, that's slow.
Is that flat out?
Wow, that was almost flat out. Wow. All right, you weren't kidding. You weren't kidding. Well, does it make up for it in handling? Maybe. I don't know.
Is this the slowest car we've reviewed?
Your Anglia is the slowest car reviewed.
Is that the radio?
You actually have to push the gas pedal to get it to go, like kind of hard. Whoa, it's all electronic in there?
Wow.
That's amazing. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Okay, that's floored. Oh. Oh my. Is this a 3-speed? It's probably a 3-speed.
It's got no overdrive.
Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, when I was flat out there, my leg was stretched out all the way. The gas pedal has so much travel. Oh, I don't think it's got power steering. That's actually nice though. Alright, let's go. No way. Come on, go. Why did you shift at 3,000? Go to 4,500. I got more than the gas pedal. Okay, that's floored. Come on. Oh my god, it's Festiva power.
It's slower than the Festiva.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Wow. Did I smoke Dominic though? He's way back there though. I'm kidding. It's so slow. I want to go into a corner though.
Put your window down.
It's kind of floaty.
It's very floaty. The tires from 2005.
That'll be okay. Oh my god. Why does it feel like that?
Wyatt, this is a grandma car.
Yeah, it is. What the
But
hell?
it looks like an MR2.
I don't hate it yet though. I'm still in love with this car because of the way it looks. I'm fine with the power. I'm curious how it handles. Should we go to the canyon?
No.
No? Well, that's floored. So,
Is it
come on, little guy.
like keep up with traffic fast?
Well, what kind of traffic are you talking about, buddy? This is throttle body injection. I don't think you can get this car to slide even if you tried really hard. No, not a chance. I don't think people crash these, like spun them out back in the day. There's no way. At least not the automatic one. Well, everyone, the verdict is that the Fiero is as slow as you think it is, and 914s are faster.
I like how everything looks.
I love how everything looks.
Steering wheel, dash.
Outside of the car.
Even the shit shifter, I kind of enjoy it.
I like
the outside of the car is cool.
It feels, it's like ergonomic.
I've driven this car a few times now, and I'm not.
Yeah, you're not into it.
I'm not.
I'd probably get one.
I could see you getting one.
I'd get one. Just deal with it.
Just deal with it.
Just deal with it.
That's great.
You get a Fiero, just deal with it.
Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. There's a Subaru lifted Impreza wagon going across the road. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Let's review that right now.
I would like to review that.
Well, thanks for watching, and see you later.
Bye!